Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EU1000i Inverter generator is a remarkable piece of equipment that excels in both performance and portability. Weighing in at just 29 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to transport for camping trips or outdoor events. The compact design allows for convenient storage without taking up much space. One of the standout features of the EU1000i is its super quiet operation. With a noise level of just 53 dB at idle, it's quieter than a normal conversation. This makes it ideal for use in residential areas or during camping where noise restrictions may apply. The Eco-Throttle system further enhances its efficiency by automatically adjusting the engine speed based on the required load, ensuring minimal fuel consumption and extended run times. It can run up to 3 hours on a single tank of gas at 25% load, making it reliable for both short and long outings. The 1000-watt output is perfect for powering small appliances, lights, and sensitive electronics. The inverter technology provides clean, stable power that is safe for devices like laptops and smartphones, a feature that sets it apart from traditional generators. The generator has a surge wattage of 1000 watts, allowing it to handle brief power spikes when devices are first turned on. The build quality is exceptional, typical of Honda products. The generator is equipped with a fuel gauge, spark arrestor, and a low oil shutdown feature that adds to its reliability and ease of use. The recoil start is straightforward, and the overall operation is user-friendly, even for those who are not familiar with generators. In conclusion, the Honda EU1000i Inverter generator delivers impressive performance in a lightweight and quiet package. Its efficient fuel use, reliable power output, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of portable power. Whether for leisure activities or emergency situations, this generator is a worthwhile investment that won't disappoint.